Hi everyone! Hello guys! Time check here in Vienna, Austria is 12:05 guys. And in the Philippines, it's 7:05 na ng gabi. So today guys, ito ang aming lunch. Actually brunch. So nagluto na lang ako ng schnitzel. Chicken schnitzel. And then gumawa ako ng salad. Ayan, as usual guys, may salad, lettuce, apple, pepino, then gilagyan ko ng cherry and grapes. So, eto lang yung aming kakainin for today. Kasi diet muna tayo ngayon guys. Kaya malapit na ang Christmas. Tataba na naman tayo guys. So, this is guys my kind of schnitzels. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. And of course guys, gumawa rin ako ng orange. So, eto guys, kain tayo.